So hi guys, so welcome to my channel. So we're going to continue on the modeling of this house. Okay, so last time we create the windows. Okay, the using the window template on your 3dsmax. So this time we're going to create the door. So based on the Autocad, so we have the sliding door here on the side, two sliding door, and then on the main door, so we have a pivot door. Okay, and also on the back here, service door. Okay, so to begin with, so we're going to start on the main door first, this one here. So I already created the floor plan, I mean the inside flooring, and then also the step. Okay, so I just simply use the lines. So I just use the line, then extrude. Okay, so same thing with the steps. So using the line and extrude. Okay. Okay, so we're going to focus on this one first. So we're going to isolate first some of the models. So we need only the walls and the flooring. Then right click, isolate. Okay, we're going to focus on this one. So on your create, again we go to create, then look for the doors. Okay. Since we're going to do the French door here, this is the main door, so this is a French type door. Okay, so we're going to use the pivot. Okay, so the same procedure, since you are going to create your door in perspective view or isometric, so make sure that you set your snap in 3 point and then use the width and depth selection creation method. Then to start with, so you can start from either here or here. Okay, so we're going to start from here, then pick and drag. Okay, on the width, the first point, so pick and then drag here, then release, pick your depth, and then pick the height. Okay, so this is our door. Okay, so we're going to set up the parameters. So the parameter still is correct, 20, 750, 150. Okay, we're going to adjust the depth later on. So for now, going to use the opening first so that we can see which side of the door is going to open. So on the open here, let's say, let's open this one. So the door open on the outside, so we're going to use the flip swing to go inside. Okay, here. Okay, and then on the frames, so going to make the door jump. So the width, okay, so this is your width. Okay, so the width of your door jump is around 50. Okay, and then the depth, okay, so this is the depth of your door jump, so maybe around 25. So usually they extend it around 25 outside the wall, or okay. And then the door offset, when you say the door offset, okay, as you can see, your lip of the door is placed on the edge, okay, and then in the inner side of your wall. So you can adjust that by adjusting the value here on your door offset. Okay, so you can adjust some, maybe we need to place it around 25 for the meantime. And then So we're going now to create the thickness of your door lip. So thickness maybe around 50. Okay, so that is the 50. And then the top rail. So if you're going to create a panel door or a French type door, so you have a frame here on the side. Okay, so which is from the top, so maybe we can place around 100. Okay, so that is the frame. Maybe we should close this one first, since we already know the location of the opening. Then on the bottom, so still same 100. Okay, so you have your door frame. And then for the paneling, okay, so we're going to set first 2. So we have 2. Okay, but actually this is around 4. So we're going to make it 4. Okay, 4. And then horizontal or vertical paneling. So maybe around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, so exactly 8. Okay, and then for the size of your panel frame here, so you can adjust this maybe around 25, I think will do. Or if it's too thick for you, you can make it around maybe 20. Okay. So this is the glass part, then this is the solid part. Okay, so we choose the glass, so maybe around 5 mm thick. Okay, so you have now your excuse me, opening. Okay, so this is now your main door. Now for the sliding door, this one, so let's unhide this, unhide all first. Okay, for the sliding door, because we have 2 bays for the sliding, actually in this one they made it 3. Okay, so I'm going to make it 2 openings. So I already created the frame, so I manually created the frame door jamb, so using line, then extrude, then shell. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So we're going to create now this one. So I select the 3 object and then isolate, so to focus on this part here. Okay, so the same procedure, create doors. So this time we're going to use the sliding. Okay, since I'm going to create a 2 panel, so I'm going to start from the middle here. Okay, so pick and then drag here, then release, then thick, depth, and then height. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, pick, then drag, then depth, then height. Okay, so we have now the 2. So let us open this one first to check on which side they open. So they open here, so I think we need to flip. Okay, so same thing here. Let us check the side of opening. I think this one is alright already. Okay, so we're going to remove this door jamb. Okay, so to remove that, on your create frames, we're going to uncheck this one. Also same thing with this one. Okay, so when we close this, then the other one close. Okay, so this is now your 2 panel sliding door. And then on the parameter, so the thickness for your door is around, let's say 50 again for each panel. And then railings, so of course at least maybe around 100. Okay, also on the bottom railing 100. Okay, and then on the paneling, so maybe around 2 only, 2 for each lip, and then 8 on the vertical. Okay, and then maybe around 25 for this one, or 20 to make it smaller. Okay, or 12. I think 12 is good. Okay. Then the glass. Okay, 5. Okay, so we have now the first and the second one, so same procedure. Okay. So 50 here, then tiles 100 here, and then bottom 100, paneling 2, okay, vertical 8, and then the glass is 5. Okay, so we already have your sliding door. Or maybe we can adjust this one, the thickness. Let's say maybe around 75. I think 75 is fine. Same thing here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have now the sliding door. Now we're going to copy this on on the other side. I'm going to unhide all first. So just going to select this one. Okay, going to copy it from the top view. Okay, and then using the shortcut key of cloning, shift and then drag. Then I'm going to use copy, not instance, because I'm going to change the opening. Okay, since this one is on the outer side, so we just simply go to parameter and then flip this one. Okay, so same thing here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we already have the sliding door. And then for this one, so let us see what will be the type of door they use. So just simple plain door. So on this side here, okay, pivot, so we're going to focus now on the moldings. So as you can see, we have the moldings here. I mean the moldings, the column. Okay, So we have the front elevation already here. Okay. So we're going to isolate this front elevation. So select this one, then right click, then isolate, then front view. Okay, we're going to focus on this one. Okay, now if we're going to create a round column like this one, we can trace this one like the one that we do on the wall, or you can actually get the shape from your CAD. Okay, this one, from this one. Okay, but in order to do that, so we have to go to modify. Okay, here as you can see, this one is already converted to editable spline. Then we're going to choose spline here on the selection. Okay, so this is how we're going to select this one. Okay, do not use crossing when you are going to select this, so because in AutoCAD we are not sure if this one is all in single line, so sometimes they have a double lines here. So to be safe, just simply select one by one, then press Ctrl. Now once we already selected all the spline or segment that we need, okay, we're going to clone this one. Okay, so to clone your segment or spline that you selected, just simply press shift on your keyboard and then drag to the front. Okay, then release. Okay, so you have now your clone, and then we're going to detach this on the front elevation of your CAD. So to detach this, so make sure it's still selected, go to your parameter and then look for detach. Okay, detach here. Okay, click this one, then you're going to ask a name for your detached segment. Let's say we're going to make it column, then okay. Okay, so this now is your new shape. Then we're going to unselect this, then select this one. Okay, but we need to edit this one first, so go to spline again, then segment or vertex. I think we need to add additional vertexes because we only need half of this part. So refine to add vertex, then click at the midpoint, then go to segment here, or you can click this one, then select this segment here. This is the one that I'm telling you, there's a double line here. Okay, if you notice, okay, yeah, okay, see, okay, so segment, so I'm going to delete this two segment here and this one, and then this one maybe I'm going to connect this using your snap, connect it here. So this is now our column profile. So we're going to apply the lathe, but before we do that, so we need to adjust first the location of your gizmo here. So to move that, here you can use this tool, hierarchy, effect, pivot only, and then use the center to object. Okay, so once it's already moved here, select effect pivot again, then we can apply now the lathe. Okay, so on the modifier, L for lathe. Okay, here. Okay, and then go to front view. Okay, so this is now our initial, okay, lathe preview, this one. So to adjust the width, you simply go to your lathe, then axis, this one, then try to drag your gizmo here on the side, or if you want, you can snap this one already using your snap. So make sure the snap is on. Okay, and then snap somewhere here in the middle. Make sure you lock first, then drag it, then snap somewhere here. You can snap on the middle, okay, of the column. Yeah, I think this is the middle point. Yeah, okay. Then here you already have your column. Now to make your column smoothen, as you can see, this not smooth enough, so again you can adjust the number of segment here. Okay, maybe around 30 will do. Okay, then so we're going to place this now on the plan. Okay, so from the top view, so you just simply move this to its location based on the plan. I think it's somewhere here. Okay, using your snap. Move it. Okay, so same thing here, use instance, just shift and drag instance. So since they are the same, okay, so it's done. So this is now our column. So we're going to create the layer, so make sure this was selected. Okay, so we're going to continue this on the next video. So I hope you learned something today. Okay, so if you have any comments, so please write down below. Okay, so if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe, okay, for more videos, and so to inform you for the next upcoming video. So see you guys on the next video, and thank you.